What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Back in Mexicali again. I'm gonna unload this paint that I brought and I'm gonna install. I ordered some diffuser fins from WHOOSH. Kind of makes the car look a little more aggressive. I would like to get a diffuser eventually, but right now it's a little bit too expensive. And I would like to buy like an exhaust and other stuff before I go into like the diffuser and like a body kit and stuff like that. So for now I'm going to install the fins. So let's get started. Let me unload the paint first. Okay guys, so paint is out. Car's a little dirty on the inside, as you can see. I washed it like a week ago, so kind of hate having the paint out of the car because it made the car look like the wheels look like better. What I'm trying to say is that it looked like it had better fitment, but it was just the weight of the paint. Okay guys, so here are the fins. They're pretty basic, as you can see. I just need to figure out how these go. They're from Velossa Engineering. I ordered them from WHOOSH, so shout out to Ron, always having the parts I want to buy and always have them delivered on time. Shout out to him. So yeah, man, what I'm going to try to do is basically measure this back part, see how much it measures from side to side. A little scuff on there, and basically start in the middle and work my way out. I want to see what the middle measurement is, and then I'll start from there. And I'll have to see where, I guess all these are alike, like the size is the same. So I'm guessing that this one is the one in the middle and the others go on the sides. Also, on a bit of a sad note, when I was in Chula Vista, I noticed that this little red lens cover, I don't know what to call it, the one on the right side was stolen. I think it was stolen because I did not hear it fly off or anything. So my theory is that it got stolen while I parked it somewhere at the store or something. So I'm going to have to order that. I saw that they sell some black ones. I just don't know where. I can't remember where I saw that there are some like smoked ones, some black ones. I just can't remember where I saw them. So I'm gonna have to do a little more research. If I can't find the black ones, I'm just gonna order the red one again. It's like 28 bucks, I think. So I'm gonna order that. Okay, so I jacked up the car a little so I can have like more space under here to measure. I don't know what the fuck that is. That thing has been loose for a while too. This little thing right here, I don't even know what it is. I think I'm just gonna take it off. Okay guys, so the measurement came out to 4 feet. So obviously the middle is 2 feet. I'm going to wipe this down a little bit to make it clean so it can stick on. So it just has like the adhesive tape, the double-sided tape. I'm debating on removing this and putting the 3M one because I know 3M is a little bit better. Okay guys, so as you can see, I have 3 of them on. I actually ended up throwing on the 3M adhesive tape. I just changed it out because I know they can fly off if like worst case scenario, but I trust the 3M tape more. And I actually went on YouTube and searched for a couple videos just to give me examples of if other guys have installed them. And I saw a video by a guy named I think it's Alex Calvo, something like that. He installed them, but I think he screwed them on. I don't know. I don't want to go like that far because I'm eventually going to change them out and just put a diffuser. And also I'm going to get this bumper repainted. I've seen quite a few Fiestas that have this. I don't know why it happens. Look, you see it on here too. I haven't crashed or anything. But I've seen a couple with the same problem in the paint. So I'm going to have the bumper resprayed, the back one. And I'm going to have the front bumper resprayed. If I don't get, I'm trying to get the front bumper, the RS type bumper. So if I don't get that one, I'm going to end up respraying that front one. But I hope I can get the RS one because I think it'll look way better. So Here you go. That's 3 installed. I'm gonna go ahead and do the last 2, and I'll show you guys the end result. Okay guys, so I'm all done. Pretty basic install. It took me like 15 minutes, I think. So I'm gonna show you guys the end result now.